Good morning everybody, this is Victor here, Trendline.com, and it's time again for that daily overview of the cryptocurrency market. Looking at coin market cap, as always, the first thing to do, checking the overall market cap, 274 billion. Well, we're slowly creeping up, nothing to get too excited about, nothing to write home yet, but at least it's nice to see greens for a change in 2 or 3 consecutive days. So, as I said, nothing major. Bitcoin's up to about 5%, Ethereum is up to around 3%, Ripple's up nearly 5%, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, everything's kind of like the same. Stellar's moved a bit more than the rest of the coins, up at 10%. And overall things are not looking bad, but looking at VeChain is the coin that we released a signal for yesterday, because as you do know, we have 2 Telegram channels. The first one is for signals, where we would release signals regarding the price change of certain coins and our ICO research. So that one's still currently free. Don't forget to join that channel because you can definitely benefit from the signals that we release. We usually gain about 30, 40, 50% profit. And the other one is our channels for the news. All the news that we will discuss later on have already been posted in our news channel. So join that channel so you can always have the latest crypto news at the tip of your fingers. So as I said, we will look through the VeChain chart towards the end of the video to see how things go. It was a move of about 30% yesterday, so currently is up for a correction after another short move yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening, and we'll continue monitoring this because we still do believe that the signal will play out. So stay tuned and monitor the group. Moving forward with the news. More good news, BitPay, they've raised additional $40 million in their second funding round, because initially the idea was for them to get a $30 million, but then the CEO decided to extend the period of the phase B of the money gathering, and they managed to hit $40 million. And this is great because, as you all know, BitPay is a company that would deal with merchants, and they will accept Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and this is really great for the use case of cryptocurrencies and mass adoption. So that's good news. Another good news is, when I say good, it's because you can see, here it is, Floyd Mayweather's backing up cryptos, which is really good on its own, because Floyd Mayweather helped a couple of guys with their ICO, which is great. What's not that great about it is that actually it turned out that the ICO and the project might be a scam. The CRT token, they managed to raise like $32 million, but currently, because they're not registered, they got arrested because people started complaining this might be a scam. This just comes to show us that ICOs are a great way to make profit, but also a very tricky waters to swim in. Because as you remember, we discussed last week, it turned out that 81% of all ICOs are scams, and you must be very mindful and very careful when you decide to participate in one. So the best thing to do would be just to monitor our signals group and all the positive ICOs that we've done a lot of fundamental research on will be listed there, so you can stay safe. And that being said, just remember, this is not financial advice. We're all just cryptocurrency enthusiasts and specialists. So if you're in for financial advice, contact your financial advisor. And that said, SEC arrested the 2 founders of the ICO. We'll see how things will play out. So stay on the safe side, guys. Another positive news, of course, is related to Robinhood, because Robinhood expands its operations in 4 more states, which is amazing, because you know Robinhood offers commission-free trading, so you can just go online and trade and you won't be charged for that. The 4 new states are California, Massachusetts, Missouri, and Montana. And this is again great news for traders and for mass adoption of cryptocurrency. So things are looking good, and the market is currently holding, and we'll see how things go. We expect it will continue to grow for another couple of days. Then we might see another correction, but stay tuned for the videos. As you know, I release videos daily, so you will find out first watching the videos. And moving onwards, the technical analysis charts. Here's Bitcoin, and what we can see is that we managed to push through the resistance of $6,900. So this is currently playing as a support. We bounced from that one and we are testing 7,300. We believe we will push through this one. So if this happens, the next resistance will be here at $7,750, which is also the point where this trend line crosses, and we definitely will get rejected from that one. We'll bounce back, but now the current levels that we are should play as support, and then we'll have to bounce through that one. If we fail to do this, obviously next resistance here is 6,980, which is close to actually 7,000. But if we push through this one, the next support we're looking at is $6,200 roughly. So this is pretty much how we see the things will happen in the following days. Again, stay tuned and we will update you accordingly. Next chart we're looking at is Ethereum. Ethereum, as always, a bit weaker than Bitcoin, facing major resistance at $400. We really need to push through this one if we want to see a change in trend, because if you can see, the trend is still bearish and it goes down. So what must happen and what must play out? We should test the resistance of the trend line at $420, then probably get rejected, go back to support of 400, that is currently the resistance, and then go upwards from that point. If we get rejected from here, from around $400, the next support we're looking at is $376, more or less. And finally, VeChain, our signal from today. You can see the bounce that it made. It pushed through this resistance. Currently, this is support, and it's we really need to see it test the trend line, and we do believe this will play out because our target for the signal is here at this trend line. So stay tuned, we will post an update as soon as VeChain hits the target so you can cash out your profit. This is pretty much everything for today. Thank you for joining in and watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to get in touch with us, all our contact information is in the description of this video. We have LinkedIn and Facebook and TradingView, so give us a shout. We can always discuss a coin of your choice if you want us to look into that or build your portfolio for you. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to enjoy life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye bye.